Hey everybody, so the first thing you're going to want to do is actually open ProPresenter. Our ProPresenter is right down here in the dock down here. If we go ahead and click on that, that will go ahead and open ProPresenter for us. And as you can see, we've already got some things pop up. We've got video image bins, playlists, that sort of thing. This also always pops up. ProPresenter Information Center, we could probably disable this. I don't really care about it to disable it, but we could do video tutorials, import our libraries, sample libraries, download the manual if we needed it. So we're just going to go ahead and X out of that. So what I'm going to do is kind of go over basic information during this tutorial today of just how we use all of these functions here in Bloom. So we take it from the top, ProPresenter 6 icon. This is about, we've got preferences. We click on here. We'll actually do a preferences tutorial on what all of these mean and how Bloom uses them. If we go back here, we've got our registration information, we've got our services, per preferences, anything like that, and empty cache and all that. If we want to quit ProPresenter, we can go here or we can hit Command Q. Next is File. We've got our new. If we hit New, this will open an option to do a new presentation. We've got our import, we've got our export, we've got our changing library. We can also print. The next thing is the edit function. These are basic edit functions here. Undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, duplicate, delete, select all these sort of things. We'll also talk about transformations at some point, making everything uppercase, because that's the way we do things here. Actions, these are our clear all, slide, background, props, audio, anything we need to clear, putting up a logo, live video, that sort of thing. We also have our view function. These we use audio bin, clocks and timers. We use basic song select, stage display control, that sort of thing. We use a few of those, and if messages sometime if we need to send something. So anyway, those are the kind of few things, and we'll go over all of that as well. We have our format. This is our font. This is our text, all that sort of thing. Next is our window. We've got our minimize, zoom, output window. We'll talk about stage display window. I'll probably do a separate video for that. And then our help. As we go down, we've got our clear all. This is our emergency safe button. If we have something up and we are absolutely totally lost, we don't know what we're doing, we click on that, and that will clear the slide and also the background. Obviously, these two will just clear, one will clear the slide and one will clear the background. So these two actually equal this one here. And this is really for emergencies only. And there should be a team leader to help you that you never have to use that. Here's our new button. If we click on this new button, this will create a new presentation. If we need to create a new message or we need to create a new song or any sort of document or anything like that, that will be the way to do that. This is our editor. If we want to edit any of our slides going on here, we'll go over all of this. This is our video image bin. This just hides and opens our video image bin. If I click on that, it is now gone. If I open that up, it's there. So this is our audio bin. This will show up over here on this side. We need to work with any audio or anything like that. We always put this in our audio bin. We have our messages. This is not Pastor Mike's messages. This is any sort of message that we need to send through stage display, which we will go over in a stage display tutorial. This will also open our timers as well. These are the Bibles. If we want to go and purchase any sort of Bible from Renewed Vision, we can do that. We really don't use their Bibles. We just type our own out. So this is the store, kind of like a shopping cart almost. But this is the online store if we needed to purchase anything from Renewed Vision. This is our social media platform, Facebook, Instagram, all the Twitter, all those sort of things that we have. We can also go and connect through ProPresenter. These are our templates. We actually really use two templates here at Bloom. We have one called Bloom, and then we have one called Boxed, which we've just now started using for all of our song lyrics. And we'll use this Bloom one for messages, and we will go over that sort of stuff later in the tutorials. This is our format button. If we click on this, this is going to pop up the top here. We've got our different fonts. We've got our text alignments. We've got our vertical alignments and all of these text shadow, anything like that. I think this is our shadow outline settings and all that sort of stuff. So that's our format button. We also have our output button. Whatever's being output to the screen, if we click on this, as you can see, there's nothing here on the screen. So if we click on this, this is going to go black. And there it is. So we'll just go X out of that. This is our volume. Whatever video we're firing or any sort of content like that, this will control the volume of that. Okay, as we're moving down, this is the output window. This is the window, whatever people are seeing on the screen. Really self-explanatory there. We're going down. This is kind of our content. So if we go to, say, touch the sky, you're going to see all the content. And this is where mostly you're going to live, because you're going to see there's a background there, and we're going to go to the next slide. We're going to go to the next slide. And this is also, you can edit in this window as well. We're going to talk about the library a little bit. This is all of our songs, all of Pastor Mike's messages that I've typed out or anything like that. We'll go and know how to edit and go ahead and type out those sort of things. So this is our playlist. This is also where you're going to live, because we actually have a playlist. We have a group folder, and we'll go over that. And we also have playlists for our group folders on how we do everything. So anyway, that's basically kind of a basic information tutorial, and so excited that you want to be a part. We'll see you in the next video.